Hello guys, I'm taking this video to demonstrate how to configure the I2S pinout of the DENAFRIPS, Venus or the PONTUS deck. So we know that I2S input has no industrial standard. So DENAFRIPS has this feature to allow you to configure the pinout by using the front panel button. So if you have a I2S source, you are not sure what pinout to use, please refer to the manual. So there are about 8 settings that you can configure using the DENAFRIPS deck. So I'll explain it later. So to configure the I2S, first of all, of course, you got to turn on the deck. Currently the deck is in standby. So to turn it on, press on the power button once. It's hot. Okay, the I2S input is selected. It is important to note that the I2S pinout configuration can only be done when the I2S input is selected. So to configure the I2S pinout, press on the mute button. Once the mute button is engaged, the input LED lights up from the left to the right. So it tells us that the mute is engaged. There's no output from this deck anymore. And it is now available for us to configure the I2S input. So to configure the I2S input, press on the face button here multiple times. You notice that the 1x, 2x, 4x LED turn on and off in a binary fashion from 000 to 111. So this allows you to configure the I2S pinout accordingly. The description is available in the manual. There are total 8 combination permutation. So configure the right pinout to match with your I2S source. The memory here will be stored in the FPGA, so it will be available after a power cycle or even after a turn off or turn on of the deck. So I'll leave the 1x on, 2x and 4x off. And wait for a couple of seconds, the deck will be back to normal operational mode. And I'll demonstrate to you the memory is stored in the FPGA by turning it off in standby mode. And I'll turn it on again. I2S is selected, and I would like to check the pinout that I configured just now. The I2S pinout I configured just now. So press on the mute button and press on the face button to check the I2S pinout that I configured just now. So 1x LED stay on, 2x and 4x is off. So this is how you configure the I2S pinout of the DENAFRIPS, PONTUS or the Venus DSC. That's about it. Thank you for watching.